Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove white background from image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to remove white background from image. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Pictures option and insert picture from our file. Now we can see here this image, a white background. Now we want to remove this background. Go to the online, choose your browser, then write remove bg, then go to the first website, then click upload image and upload your white background added image, then click open, then wait some moment to remove the white background, then click download. Now we can see here download this image, then go to the publisher again and go to insert menu, then click picture option, then go to the download section and insert this picture, and we can see we remove the white background of this image very easily. You can add another background. Go to the insert menu, then click shape drop down menu and choose any background. Now I select the round and rectangle and draw it, then click right button and go to back. Otherwise you can go to the shape format menu and click send backward to send back. Now we can see we remove white background from this image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.